Yeah, hey guys, sorry for the bright light, but I just want to show you something here. I thought it's quite exciting. This is a very simple jewel ringer circuit. No, not a jewel ringer. Jewel thief. Where's my head? And it's pretty much the same as a lot of the other jewel thief circuits. The difference is, instead of using a 1 volt battery, I decided to I thought I'd just give it a go and see if it worked. I was quite surprised. I thought about it last night. I was quite excited about it when I went to sleep, and I had to wait until I've got back here today to actually try this. So I had like a little air battery. I built it right back at the start, nearly 10 months ago, and I built this air battery, and I just chucked a little bit of salt water on, and look what you get. And this thing has been running for a while. I'm not sure what that flashy thing is all about, whether that's just the camera or not, but it's daylight here, and this little circuit, I suppose, well, my connections, I'm not quite sure how good or how bad they are. Probably not the greatest on the end of there. Should probably do a bit of a sand down and drips a little bit of water. But I suppose that's probably about, I mean, is that free energy? I'll tell you a little bit about the carbon rods. They were sent from the States, and they hadn't paid the correct postage. I paid them for postage. It cost me £18 or something. But they hadn't paid the correct postage, and so I queried it with the lady, and for some reason she got herself all worked up about it and just refunded me. So, you know, and this magnesium strip, it came from China. I was in quite a few bits, but one of the bits was big enough to go around this, and I said to the fellow about it, and he was great. He sent me out another one, which I didn't really need, but I did say to him that I got it because I wanted it in continuous strip for projects, for making these types of batteries, because I'd seen them on the internet. Let me just remove any of these wires or anything from around here in case anybody thinks I've got some sort of other connection going on there. But as you can see, that is the full circuit. Everything that's in the camera shot is the full circuit, and that is just, you know, like that little LED. Now I wonder, I could probably put a couple more on it. I don't really know. I've not tried that. I literally just set this up like this, and I thought, oh, that's pretty damn good. I didn't expect it to be as bright as that, and I surely don't expect it to last as long as this. Now, what I did want it to do was, when I put my hand around it, I wanted it to come on. Now, the reason why I thought that might work is because I was measuring it before with voltage, but it was in the summertime, and it was a possibility I'd been out in the garden, come back in slightly clammy, and the salt's coming out my body. But for this occasion, what I did was I just mixed a little bit of salt with a little bit of water, and just give it a little spritz, and look what we got. We got a nice bright LED on a regular sort of dual feed circuit. I've got a little capacitor on mine. I don't know if any other people put capacitors on. It's just to raise the frequency a little bit more, which I believe will give me a little bit of extra, what they call it, efficiency. Well, that's not the brightest, but it's not bad. It's not bad. It's a working principle. I mean, that's what, 4.5 minutes. Well, it's been on for longer than that, because I put it on, I went into the room, I set up the camera wasn't working because I pulled the lead out last night by mistake. Faffed around, put it back together again, got it set up, and then started recording and talking. So that's 5 minutes now, so we're probably talking about 8 minutes of just chucking a bit of salt water on. I am not gonna just keep rambling for as long as this takes, as long as this lasts, but what I will do is I've made a note of the time. It's 21 minutes past, well, between 20 and 21 minutes past 10 now in the UK, and I am going to take it from 20 past, and I'm just going to leave it going. I'm going to take a note of when it starts dimming, and I'll put it in the description, I suppose. I don't know, we'll make another video, we'll get a load more LEDs and put them together and see what else I can do with this. Is it free energy? Oh, I don't know. I might put it in the title though, just to get some responses. And also, I can actually say that it's probably is, because there's no hidden. Come here. There's no hidden, you know, batteries or anything like that. That'd be absolutely crazy. There's no point in doing that. That is not what I'm about. Look, this is just my dual thief circuit. There's nothing changed on my dual thief circuit. The only thing I've done is put that capacitor on to the way it was before. That's a 2.4 volt. It takes to come on one of these white LEDs. I don't know if it's not flashing. It's not flashing in front of me. It seems to be just flashing on the camera because I just saw it on the screen, but I can't see it in front of me flashing. So it's it must be the timing between the camera speed and the actual frequency of this thing. So anyway, that's it. I bored you enough with that. I'm gonna give it a bit of a thumbs up for a good little circuit. That's I can't believe it works, and I will probably try and do some more because I got another one of those carbon robs, and I got some more of that magnesium stuff. Like I said, the fella sent me another one. So yeah. Xbox was free. Yeah, I just paid for the transistor and the LED and the capacitor and a bit of wire, I suppose. At one stage I paid for the bit of wire. It's just an old network cable. And those clocks are nearly free. Nearly free energy. Anyway, cheers for watching, guys. Bye.
Recording, okay. Feel load is taking a little bit there.
Yeah.
Oops. What do you think? This is going on the internet, by the way, this extra footage.
Okay.
So, America, call your president, call your vice president, call your congressman, your representative. Let's put some people back to work, get some clean energy, keep the work in this country. About all I can tell you for now. Just keeping forging ahead and never looking back. America can do it. America has got all the The talent's right here, and we can do anything. We put our minds to it. We'll cut them off here, or you can cut them off here. Pretty quiet though, you know.
Yeah, it is.
These are where my other two set of magnetic turbines will go. And also here, so this motor will actually adapt to this hole and this hole or hub, and they sit right here. And then another set, and it goes on and on. We don't really know how far because just need to get more research and development in it. That's like any other invention that's invented in this country or any other country. And I'm going to power it back down now. I'm not sure exactly what that one's hooked to. Huh.
That top inverter, wasn't it? What you flip the switch?
Oh, you think it is?
Yeah, I think that's how you, the top one.
The top one?
I believe so.
Okay. I'll just cut it off there. And I cut off my inverters. And then I'll power it down. I'm just gonna. I can cut it off all at one time.
That's what I was wondering, if you could just shut her down.
Yeah, I can hit the stop button.
It stops fast, huh?
It'll stop it, won't it? Magnetic repulsion, or magnetic retraction, or magnetic attraction, or north against north, south against south, or north and south together. It works all three ways. And that's the take. Thank you, man.